Today I'm making chicken balls this style. See, the chicken balls will turn into Indian style. I'm Chef Mangal. Today I'm making the world famous dish, chicken balls. This world famous dish, the chicken balls, I turn into Indian style. I worked on this recipe for 3 months. In this recipe, I done 3 different things which make this dish world famous. I cook this chicken balls in not like in pan with a lot of oil, but I cook this thing in India. There is a one pot which is called appam pot. In this pot is a 2 layers. So when you just grease that mold and put in that chicken mixture, your chicken balls, it became a round, and due to that pot is made with the 2 layers, direct heat doesn't come there. So outside you see the golden brown and inside like a egg yolk, so soft. The sauce which I made with the fresh organic basil, the basil which I grow in my garden, and that's make that ginger garlic, cumin, fresh basil, organic. And this recipe you can use for a beef, you can make a meatball, you can make a chicken balls. And one more thing, in India there is a western dish which is called a kofta. They make with the vegetables, they make with the cottage cheese, and that also you can make. So really, if you love someone, if you want to make something different, watch this video from the beginning, don't miss any part. And I'm happy today, this is my 200th I completed videos on my YouTube channel. I hope you will love it. So let's come with me in my kitchen, we start cooking. To make a chicken balls, we have chicken mince, we put cilantro, and we have a fresh basil, put a fresh basil. The recipe is in the description, you can check it out. Then we have a ginger and garlic, it's a finely chopped. And you can use a whole egg. That helps you to bind and give a soft structure to the chicken balls. I have a whole grain bread which is 21 different grains soaked in buttermilk, is garlic powder and onion powder. We have a salt for a seasoning. Mix all ingredients well so each chicken ball gets a taste. I put a cumin powder also. Now this is appam mold. It made 2 layers. Make a ball and put it in all the mold. This is when you see one side light golden, outside it's crispy, and inside going to be soft. In this mold you can make kofta, you can make variety of balls. Olive oil, always with that I put butter. When it's hot, I chopped red onion. Cook it till change the color. Is Italian fine herbs. Tomato puree. Mix it well. When it starts boiling, add marinara sauce. Add fresh basil, full of flavor. the sauce for it. Add your chicken balls. It's 75% is cooked. Cook it 25% more. And when you see 165 degree Fahrenheit is done. This is your chicken balls. Thank you, my friends, watching this video. I hope you will like, and I expect from all of you, if you like, please subscribe my channel. I will try my best to bring best dishes around the world. Take care of your family, and every Saturday you will get new recipe. Thank you. See you again next Saturday. Bye.